I was just walking around with my Ring doorbell thinking, man, I wish parking garages were real.
Every year the holiday season gets less and less exciting, and every year isn't as fun as the last. Check it out, I got a tiny Rubik's Cube though.
Hey guys, just taking a normal phone selfie with my phone. Back to you, John. Hey Mom, you're probably wondering where the Ring doorbell is right now. Well, since you won't give me my phone back, it's about to be in the washer. See you later, Mom. Oh, wait a minute. Nothing better than the fresh smell of laundry. Oh, accidentally dropped that. Oh, accidentally dropped that. Oh.
Let me guess.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Oh. Did you need help flushing that?
Clearly, you've never tried toothpaste.
Rocking horse. Constructing. Pizza. Hey Mom, sorry I took the Ring doorbell, but you gotta try driving at night. Lady, I just feel it. I have your paper towels.
Es hora de tocar.
Check it out, Mom. I got my cat a new house. I think he likes it.
Apple juice.
Hey, Mom, since you locked me in the bathroom, I made friends with a water bottle, and he's never leaving me. Bottle boy, no!
There is no such thing as a coincidence. The fact that you are watching this video means that you are energetically aligned with me and this message.
What are you doing in my backyard?
She was not energetically aligned with me.
Hey, Mom, since taking the Ring doorbell wasn't enough to get my phone back, I'm going to show this cat what a plunger is. This is a plunger, and you use it to unclog the toilet.
Hey, what do we got? Guy in a Ring doorbell, okay?
Smile. Your future self is watching you right now.
Whoa, that's actually true.
And so am I.
What?
Gummy bears. Oh, hi neighbor, didn't see you there. Guess who has a Ring doorbell? Me, and you don't. Hey Mom, since you kicked me out of the house for stealing the Ring doorbell, I've just been outside in the dark. Don't worry though, I am not scared of the dark. At least I have my pizza costume. Help. Water.
There's nothing better than a new haircut and basking in the sweet rays of summer. Hey Mom, I'm gonna dig a hole north. I want to see if Canadians are real or not. There's no greater feeling than summer. Check it out. A blade of grass. This'll teach the neighbors. Oh, hey! A shovel for my birthday. Now that I have a shovel, no one can stop me.
Does it show up on your phone?
Yeah, not right now, but let's turn on notifications. It'll be like a pre-recorded message. You've made it to the hidden video. Be sure to subscribe if you want more content like this.
Hey, Mom, sorry I had to take the Ring doorbell, but I gotta show off my music skills. If playing kazoo was a crime, then I'd be a criminal.
Hey guys, welcome back to my vlog. Today we're going to be testing out if we can set this grape on fire. Hey Mom. Oh, a mint? For me? Hopefully I don't choke on it. See? Look, I'm recording this on a Ring doorbell. See, it's real. They're never gonna believe you. What? No. Hey, yo. Fire check. Baby, oh. It's pumping time.
I graduated today.
No way! Glasses? I don't even wear glasses, but they sure do look neato. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday. Oh, no way! Did you get me? It's my favorite meal! Frozen rice. So delicious! Wow. So this is my new car. And the keychain has a laughing crying emoji. Nice. Admit it. I kinda look like a pizza. Oh, dang, I've been looking for this forever. Ow! No, get back.
Hey, neighbor, I have a pie. It smells so good. Your pie probably sucks. Hey, check out this Rubik's Cube I just found. Look, it's probably like half an inch. That's kind of big, though. Right? Hello?
You already know who it is. It's your boy, No!
Ooh, you will love me. Ooh. Hello, Mother. I am getting groceries to supply for the family. Look at these tortillas I found.
Go, run! Go, run! I'm getting ripped tonight. I'm on my way. I'll be there soon. Oh boy, first date. I hope she likes my pizza costume. I'm never dating again. Duck. Duck. Goose. Oh, you gotta chase after me. Ooh, apple. Apple. The kitty sleeps. He sleeps. Love and death and birth and peace and war on the planet Earth. Shaving cream! Get out of here. Wow!
And a warning, some of the video is graphic.
Neighbor, help, please. A rather large pumpkin.
Good morning, beautiful. Did you have a good night's sleep? Ooh, it's 8 o'clock. You know what that means. Time for your good morning kiss. Just chilling in a pizza outfit. Hopefully I don't get locked inside my car. The worst scenario came true. Ooh. The last chip. Hey. Finally. Hey, Dad, I'm sending this to you for my Ring doorbell because Mom took my phone, but thanks for the birthday gift. It's exactly what I asked for. A Breaking Bad poster. I love it so much.
Hi, neighbor. Looks like you don't have a broomstick. I can sweep everything. And you can sweep nothing.
Bell-bottom jeans, boots with the fur, Man, the whole club was looking at her. I give you kiss. It went into night vision. Yeah! My cat does not like kisses.
Got coffee?
Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah, I just scored on you. So awesome being so tall and cute and good at basketball too. Yeah, right?
Let me guess. You live in Nebraska. Milk.
Hey, Dad, I'm home. Oh, no way! You got me a cat? For my birthday? This is the best birthday ever. I'm gonna have so much fun. We're gonna go on so many adventures. He ran away.
Sunglasses.
Whoa, we have a cat too? Hi, kitty.
Anyways, I made pie for dinner. Just kidding. It's beans.
Hey, Mom, since you won't give me my phone back even though I took the Ring doorbell, I'm gonna sweep the lawn. But not with a lawnmower, with a broom.
Hey, Mom. I got the Ring doorbell stuck on the roof again. Got it. Nice catch. Selfie in the grocery store. Hey, Mom. I know you really need the Ring doorbell back, but I really need it too. How else am I gonna pretend to be a giant? Guess what? I have not one, but 2 burritos. I bet you wish you had 2 burritos, too. Apparently, Gen Z is trying to cancel olive oil now. Little did they know, us millennials used to drink this stuff right out of the bottle. Right? We used to do that, right? Hey, Mom, since you still won't give me my phone back even after I took the Ring doorbell, I'm gonna go say hi to the dogs next door. You know, the ones who said we're dangerous. Do dogs like pizza?
Why, hello, neighbor.
Look at this. This is my nubby ball. You don't have a ball with nubs on it. Sad.
Hey, Mom, since taking the Ring doorbell wasn't enough to get my phone back, I'm going to show the whole world my glasses. Look at my glasses! Look at my glasses! I don't even wear glasses. I'm not crazy. I don't even wear glasses. Read comments on the video of me stealing my mom's doorbell. Oh, wow, Rap commented. Nothing's wrong with me.
It's just a joke. I didn't actually steal from my mom.
Hey, Mom. You still haven't given me my phone back. And since nobody can ring the doorbell, I got the pizza you ordered.
Wow. So this is my new car. Wow. Beans? This is everything I could have asked for.
Rare aesthetic check. Mirror selfies and Ring doorbell. Wear your masks, y'all. Happy birthday. Oh, Jakesterguy got a haircut. Jakesterguy got a haircut. Actually, I got multiple hairs cut.
Excuse me, sir. Can you hold my Ring doorbell for a second? Yeah. Okay, thank you. Hey, Dwayne Johnson, The Rock. I'm your biggest fan. I watch all your movies. So, right now at Costco, I will be performing for you an original song. It's about drive, it's about power. We stay hungry, we devour.
Hey Siri, how to unsteal Ring doorbell, quick! I'm gonna make you pop like that. Make you pop like that.
Wow! Glass cleaner!
Hey. What are you doing? No. Air freshener. Made with real trees. And it smells good. Just like you. Oh. Hi. Come here often? Welcome to my vlog. Today I'm going to be vlogging my life. The first and last thing I do is eat grass. Oh. You smell like granola. You want to see my cat? Meow, am I right? I have groceries. I have a brick, and you don't. I have a brick. Graham Cracker. Oh. Hey. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas from Jakesterguy. Cheers. Time is moving too fast, and I feel the days slipping by. I won't be able to do everything I want, or anything I want. But these sunglasses sure do complete the pizza fit.
Guys be like, I just want a girl that's tall and blonde. No, bro. You just want a bagel. Wait, no!
Hi, neighbor. Let's make a bet. I bet you cannot guess how many cacti I have in my hat. 1 cactus. My best friend. Not being scared of the dark is probably my biggest flex. Like, it is one of the most awesomest things. I don't even care. What is one moment where you caught a ghost on camera, but it turns out the ghost was a cool, fun-loving guy named Jacob who liked to hang out and listen to music? I'll go first. Ooh, floating banana. Hey, Mom, you took my phone, so I took the Ring doorbell. And the hot dog buns. Who you gonna call? The hot dog bun police? You'll never take me alive! I just got a brand new water bottle. Oh. And a brand new pumpkin. Hey Mom, since you won't give me my phone back even though I took the Ring doorbell, remember that thing you said I couldn't wear in public? I'm gonna wear it on the street. I'm a pizza! I'm a pizza and I don't care! I brought some bread to feed the cats. Hope you don't mind.
Here, kitty, kitty. Here, kitty, kitty.
Where did all the cats go? Oh, your package is here. Free hand sanitizer. Don't mind if I do. It kinda tickles. Hi, neighbor. Let's make a bet. I bet you cannot guess how many bananas I have in my hat. 7. Why are they green? Hey, Mom. Since you took my phone, I took the Ring doorbell off the front porch and put it in the car. Now I can drink as much tea as I want. Cheers. Hey, Mom. You're probably wondering what I'm doing with the goggles. Well, I have a big science test today. So, hopefully, teacher will give me some bonus points. Safety first.
So the goggles did not help.
Hey, yo. The person that sent you this wants you to know. No money. No money. No money.
Es hora de vivir. Es hora de vivir. Froggy. Hey, Mom. I really, truly am sorry for taking the Ring doorbell. It was irresponsible of me, and I had way too much fun with it. Go, 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 go! Chug, 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 chug!